In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Foxit PDF Editor. Whether you're looking to enhance a document with visuals or simply want to add a bit more flair, adding images can be a great way to communicate effectively. Now, let's dive into this straightforward process and see how you can seamlessly integrate images into your PDFs. First, you'll need to open the PDF document that you're working with in Foxit PDF Editor. This process should be pretty intuitive if you're familiar with PDF editing software. Once you've got your document open and are ready to enrich it with some visuals, locate the Edit tab at the top menu bar of the application. You'll find this is the command center for a host of features, one of which includes adding images to your document. After clicking on the Edit tab, draw your attention to the icon labeled Add Image. Once you've selected Add Image, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to choose Image from File. This option allows you to insert an image stored on your computer directly into your PDF. By selecting this, you're telling the software that you're ready to browse through your saved images for the one perfect picture to include in your document. A File Explorer window will now open, enabling you to traverse the folders and directories of your computer. Navigate through your files to locate the image you'd like to insert. It's worth noting here that organizing your images beforehand so they're easy to find can save some time, especially if you have a vast array of files. Once you've located your desired image, click on it, and then select Open to proceed. With your image selected, the next step allows for a bit of creative control, as you'll be prompted to click and drag within the PDF document to place your image exactly where you want it. This is quite handy, as you can ensure it fits perfectly with the overall layout of your page. You will notice a square or rectangle representing your image as you drag across the page. Position it according to your needs, but don't worry if it's not perfect yet. Once you've placed it, you can easily adjust the size of the image by dragging the corners of the frame. This resizing ability is essential for customizing the dimensions of your image to better fit the space and to ensure that it doesn't overwhelm any text or other elements on the page. And there you go! You've now successfully inserted and adjusted an image within a PDF using Foxit PDF Editor. This skill can be a powerful part of your document editing toolkit, allowing you to mix text with meaningful visuals to better convey your message. Thanks for watching and happy editing!